Okay, so we're putting the front doors in, the panoramas, so you'll need a second person because they are quite heavy and you have to manoeuvre them. So we need to line up the channels. Yep, and sometimes just give it a little tap. Okay, so we'll put the second one in. So it's the same thing. There we go. That's it. So when you install them, you'll notice there's a silicone on the outside of the windows. So make sure that that's how you install them. There's a silicone bead that runs all the way on the outside. So you know that's your outside of your windows. Okay, so lay your door frame out and then just get your joins. Always use a rubber mallet, that way you don't damage anything. Get your screws. And all the screws come with your door jambs. They're all pre-drilled, so straight into the pre-drill. Same on this side. So the bottom one, just the steel threshold locks in. Pull it in tight. Just get the mallet, give it a little tap. So just pre-drill these, that way you don't run the risk of cracking any of the timber. And screw them off, and that way you get your door and your window flush. Putting the doors in, you'll need a hand because they are quite heavy. You have to get it round so it's completely open and line up the 3 hinges. Yep, that's it. And they're on. And then they lock in the top. And you have to pre-drill the bottom one. So that's got a pin that drops into the bottom of your threshold.